That expensive men's face scrub you bought at the drugstore. I want you to go to your bathroom and throw it out. Seriously, for less than $1, you can make a simple paste that works even better for rough skin and blackheads. The best part? You only need to apply it for 5 minutes to see a real difference. My name is Christina Morgan. I've spent over 15 years working with skin and dermatological science. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to mix it using Vaseline and baking soda and explain the science behind why this 5-in-1 treatment outperforms most of the products you're buying. Before we mix this up, if you're ready to stop overpaying for skincare and get better results, hit like video and drop a ready in the comments. Let's see how many smart guys are here today. Now, the science behind this is fascinating and simple. But before I explain why it works, it's critical that you understand how to use it safely. So what's the medical logic behind this specific combination? Why? Why not just use one or the other? It comes down to a perfect partnership of two distinct actions happening at the same time: scrubbing and protecting. Think about it. Anytime you scrub your skin, you risk irritating it. That's where this formula is so smart. The baking soda acts as the gentle engine of the formula. It's fine. Uniform particles provide what's known as mechanical exfoliation. Because it's a relatively soft crystal, it buffs away dead cells without creating the microscopic tears that harsher scrubs can. This is exactly the kind of gentle exfoliation the American Academy of Dermatology recommends over aggressive scrubbing. But here's the key. While the baking soda is doing its job, the Vaseline is performing a critical second role. It's the safety and support system. In the medical community, we call Vaseline a gold standard elusive. Now that you understand why it works, let me show you exactly how to make it and use it correctly. All right, let's make it. The recipe couldn't be easier. The recipe. You're going to take about 1 level teaspoon of baking soda and mix it with about 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. Mix them together in the bowl, stir them together until you get a consistent, slightly gritty paste. A quick tip: if it feels too thick, just add a little more Vaseline. If it's too runny, add a pinch baking soda. You're looking for this perfect spreadable texture. B. Use number 1, the nose fix for blackheads. All right, first up, the nose. Lightly dampen your nose with some warm water. Take a small dab of the paste and apply it to the area. Now, using your fingertip, gently massage in a circular motion for about 60 seconds. Remember, be gentle. Now don't just rinse with water. Vaseline is water resistant. Use a warm, damp washcloth to wipe it off. The warmth helps dissolve the jelly, so it comes off clean without leaving a greasy residue. You will immediately notice that the area feels smoother and looks clearer. C. Use number 2, the lip fix for chapped lips. Dry, cracked lips can make a man's face look tired and run down. For this, you only need a tiny amount. Gently rub the paste over your lips for just 30 seconds. The goal is just to lift off those dry flakes. Wipe it away and you'll have instantly softer, more hydrated lips. It makes a surprising difference in how healthy you look. D. Use number 3, the rough skin fix for elbows and heels. Now, for the most powerful use for those really tough spots like your elbows, knees, or the heels of your feet, you're going to apply a thicker layer. Show a generous amount being applied. Don't rub it in just yet. Let it sit for about 5, maybe 10 minutes. This allows the Vaseline to really penetrate and soften that tough, callous skin. After it's had time to sit, then you go in and scrub a bit more firmly with your hands or a washcloth. Rinse it all off and the difference can be dramatic. This formula is effective, but to use it safely, you need to listen closely to these important medical warnings. 1. Frequency. Baking soda is alkaline with a pH around 8 to 9, while your skin's natural pH is acidic around 4.5 to 5.5. So, you must not use this every day as it can disrupt your skin's protective acid mantle. Use this treatment only once or twice a week maximum. 2. Pressure. Do not scrub too hard, especially on your face. You're not trying to sand a piece of wood. Let the fine particles do the work for you. Be gentle. 3. The patch test. With any new product, even a homemade one, always test it on a small, discrete patch of skin first, like behind your ear or on your wrist. Wait 24 hours to make sure you don't have a reaction. Do not apply this to open cuts, inflamed skin, or sunburns. Also, a note for men with acne-prone or very oily skin, because Vaseline creates a seal. It can trap bacteria if you aren't careful. If you break out easily, skip your face and stick to using this on your lips, elbows, and heels. So, there you have it. A simple 5-in-1 solution for 3 common men's skin issues based on sound dermatological principles. Taking care of yourself and looking sharp doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Before you go, let me know in the comments which area are you planning to try this on first: nose, lips, or elbows. Drop one word below. I personally read the comments and will share guidance on how to use it properly and safely. And of course, if you found this practical, science-based advice helpful, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next video. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next